Welcome again, Saber Fanatics. This is Nick Nitro, and I am the Lord of the Crucible. And as usual, our ever-present commentator, Mac, thinks that's funny. If you happen to see the last video, you knew that I was waiting on an order from Ultrasabers. It has finally arrived. Ironically enough, on the day before my birthday, so yay! This is 4 mystery box sabers, so we are going to see what we get here. In all honesty, I'm expecting nothing but stunt sabers, no sound, but it's still going to be fun to find out what we've got. So, let's get into it. And of course, this is always going to be the noisy part. Oh yeah, here we go. And already we've got the accessory pack here. And I had ordered some saber plugs, and there they are right there. So that'll be nice. Anything else in here? Nothing? Good. Oh, interesting. They broke it up into 2 sabers per pack. You know, one day I'm going to record that sound, Mac, and it's going to be a great sound effect. I don't know what I'll do with it, but it would be really, really good. Alright. Now, like a lot of people, I had a bit of a delay waiting for these sabers. I ordered them back on May 17th, and they actually arrived on July 9th. So, first one, here we are. This is actually really nice. And I'm going to go ahead and have to look this up. I'll go ahead and include a little addendum at the end of the video showing each saber and what they are, but I think this may be a Dominic's V2. Probably got that wrong. But let's see what color we've got here. We've got a nice Guardian Blue. It does come with the AV switch here. Very nice. Alright, just go ahead and set this right there. Second saber. Oh, here we go. This is a little bit more. Okay. I'll be honest, I am not certain what this one is. One of these I think is a Dominic's or an Apprentice. Again, we've got an AV switch. Some of these usually come with a guarded switch on here, but I really like the AV switch. And this one actually has windows included in the emitter. What would you say? More of a purple?
Yeah, it's more of a purple.
Yeah, definitely. Occasionally I actually have to ask for some help on these colors because I got a little bit of a color blindness thing going on here, so. But I really like this. They have a good weight to them. And
Are these LED?
oh, they're all LED, yeah. Balance point's not too bad either. So we'll go ahead and set this one over here. Alright. Numbers 3 and 4. Let's see what we've got. And so far, all stunt sabers, like I was expecting. Looks like we got a couple of dark sabers going on here, a couple of dark colored hilts. Oh. Okay, this is the guarded switch that I was talking about that some of the sabers come with. I'm gonna have to look this one up. This is, it may look rather plain, but I think it's got some windows here in the emitter, and the center has this nice little swell that narrows down, makes for a really good grip point. And see what we've got.
Uh-oh.
Interesting. Not uncommon though. Might just be a loose battery. Sometimes they come loose in shipping, just like that one did.
I hope it's red.
You want a Sith Saber, huh?
I do.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Oh,
great.
green. Very nice. But look at that. I thought it was only one row of windows in the emitter. You've got a nice double ring effect there. Kind of like this one. This is nice. Okay. And the last one of the bunch. All right. Here we go. It is another guarded switch. But I know exactly which one this is, and I was kind of hoping I would get one of these. This is the Dominix V4 LE. You see you've got the silver accents in here, and it's got windows in the emitter. I don't know. What color do you think this one's going to be?
Well, so far we've gotten blue, green, and purple. I'm hoping red.
You're still wanting red. Well, here we go.
It's orange.
Ooh. Very nice. I think this is what they call the Firestone Orange. Very nice.
And big.
Very nice. And I do like the size of the hilt. It's got a good feel to it. Well, as I mentioned in a previous video, there's actually a format to this channel. We do our unboxings as the shipments come in. Each of these hilts will get their own video featuring a more detailed and in-depth review. And then finally, each hilt gets their own torture test. Okay, we are back. I've actually had a chance to look online and see what the various models are that I got. The only one that I actually got right was the Dominix V4 LE, which you can see here. A lot of nice silver accents on that. Next we have the Aeon V2. And this one here, I was actually surprised. This is a Sentinel version 4. Which I really kind of like this design so far. It's looking really nice. We'll see what it's like when I go to do a full review. And this is the one that kind of caught me by surprise when I opened it up. I mean, it looks like a very simple, plain design, but this has a slight narrowed area right in the middle of the hilt. I don't know if you can see it. But this is the Dark Liberator version 3. And with that, we'll go ahead and close this video. And we will go ahead and get around to doing our review videos so we can get to the actual fun stuff, which is going to be the torture test. Until then, this is Nick Nitro, Lord of the Crucible. May the Force be with you.